To enable and use background limits for apps in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to go to battery section right here, and then you can scroll down to the background usage limits. After that, you can find 4 different options. So to actually use it, first you will need to enable put unused apps to sleep. That way when it's active, it will basically put apps to sleep mode. That way they will be prevented to use most of their features when they are in that sleep mode, and this will save a lot of battery for your phone. You can tag apps that should never auto sleep by clicking on this plus button if you want them to be active all the time, and you can also then see which apps are put to sleep right here. You can manually add them as well, and deep sleeping apps as well. Deep sleeping apps instead of sleeping apps will also disable functions like notifications or updates for those apps, so they will almost cease to function. And from here also I should mention that you won't see instantly sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps. Over time, if those apps are detected that they should be put to sleep, then you will see them added. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.